Welcome back, Bears. I'm Kyle, one of your senior anchors, and today is Wednesday, August 27th. So, first off, congrats to all the thespians who got a role in Macbeth, the first theater production of the school year. Xavier Cruz and Kiro Shimon lead the cast as Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. Rehearsals are underway, and the play is scheduled for October 2nd through the 4th. This past weekend, our cross-country teams competed, and here's a big shout-out to the top 10 finishers of the varsity Bears runner, Dionel Delgado. He finished 8th and a top 10 finish 2 weeks in a row. This Saturday, cross-country competes in a 5K at Medina Valley. BFND cross-country. Remember, Bears, starting next Tuesday, your Brennan Library will be open after school until 5 p.m. for all students to study. Also, if you're interested in Mock Trial Club, the first meeting is after school every Thursday in E127 or E128. For more information, email Lillian Sanchez at nsd.net. Bears, interested in becoming a future educator or exploring a career in teaching? Then come check out the Texas Association of Future Educators meeting tomorrow at 4:20 in room E103. Come see what Taffy is all about. Bears, football is still looking to come out on top for the most donations for the Peanut Butter Bowl. So, donate online on behalf of Brennan, and it's only $2 a jar, but you can donate more if you want, like all your savings. Go to peanutbutterbowl.com, Brennan, and we have the highest number of online donors. Today is the open house and advanced academic parent night from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Bring your parents to meet your teachers. You can also get information on advanced academics and join the PTSA. Finally, independent study, mentorship, ISM. Students are looking for mentors. So teachers, look at helping out the ISM students find mentors. Some of the areas in the fields of study are sonogram, film, surgery, nursing, computer science, and accounting. For more information, email Colleen Guzman at nisc.net. That's all we have for today. So be sure to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for us on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. Have a great day. Let's keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in our learning and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.